It's the dream of every would-be full-time internet marketer. But how do you reach the point that you actually have the option to fire your boss? There are so many ways to make money with internet marketing that you can quite literally drown in information overload and never get anything accomplished. So how do you muck through the information, the hype, and the scams that abound on the internet and find a process that works for you? Here are a few ideas to get you started. These ideas are by no means the only ways to make money on the internet, but rather some starting points to finding your own money-making process on the net. 1. Find a method that matches your abilities. This is probably the most important tip to remember. There is no point in trying to build a business with a system you are not technically equipped to handle. That's not to say you can't or won't learn as you go, but merely cautionary advice to not bite off more than you can chew. Don't buy into a money-making system that requires advanced programming skills if you can't distinguish one programming language from another. Start slowly and build your business and your skills. 2. Take action. Although this seems overly simplistic, no program, plan, software, or ebook you can purchase or download will help you realize your dreams of firing your boss until you take action. There are many good money-making systems available, but none of them will work for you if you don't apply them and put forth the effort. Making money on the internet isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't get rich overnight, but you will get there with patience and persistence. 3. Get a mentor. Find someone who knows. There are internet marketers who have made a full-time living and are willing to teach others how to gain their financial freedom. Be aware that you may have to pay for this information, but if it allows you to fire your boss and work for yourself full-time, the price up front is well worth your future financial freedom. There is a lot of free information on the net. Take the time to sift through it and dig out the nuggets of wisdom if you don't have the money to pay for a mentor. 4. Don't jump from program to program. Many people flit from one program to another or one mentor to another, trying to find that perfect get-rich-overnight process. The only thing that generally comes from doing this is an empty wallet and broken dreams. Find a process and stick with it. This doesn't mean you aren't allowed to tweak your process as you learn, but rather take a process and build on it. 5. Don't quit. Millions of people are out there trying to make money on the internet, and millions of people quit every day because they don't get rich in a few days or a few months. Internet marketing is a business like any other business and must be treated as such. You can't slap up a website and sit around waiting to get rich. It is work, but you're working for yourself and your own benefit rather than some company who will fire you if it profits their bottom line. If you want to fire your boss this year, then it's time to get busy. Internet marketing is one of the best leveraged businesses in existence, but it will take effort and dedication on your part. As long as you're doing something on a daily basis to build your internet business, you are well on your way to being able to fire your boss and work for yourself. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.